Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day. Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a Sri Krishna Chaitanya book compilation given by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj on April 18th, 2021 in Sri Mayapur, India.
Pangung langayate girim yat kripa tamaham vande Shri Gurum Deenatarinam Paramananda Madhavam Shri Chaitanya Mishwaram. That's Hare Krishna, dear devotees. We are continuing today with the compilation of the Sri Krishna Chaitanya book. Today's chapter is entitled as Lord Chaitanya's devastating dance of ecstatic love and competitive exchanges with Lord Jagannath. Chaitanya Haribo Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.98
নিষ্পলক নেত্রে নিশ্চলভাবে জগন্নাথের প্রভু নিত্য দর্শনে পরমানন্দ। প্রভুর নিত্য দেখিলোকে হইল চমৎকার, অন্য আছুক জগন্নাথের আনন্দ অপার।
Everyone was astonished by dancing of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and even Lord Jagannath became extremely happy to see him.
In the Bengali verse, it said, "What to speak of others?" Even Jagannath was very happy.
In the Bengali verse, it's mentioned, "What to speak of others?" Even Jagannath is very happy.
So, Lord Jagannath, he was experiencing great bliss.
So Lord Jagannath, he was experiencing great bliss
To see Lord Chaitanya's astonishing dance.
To seeing Lord Chaitanya's astonishing dance. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.99
রথ স্থির কইল আগে না করে গমন, অনিমিষ নেত্রে করে নিত্য দর্শন।
The car came to a complete standstill and remained immobile, while Lord Jagannath, with unblinking eyes, watched the dancing of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Lord Jagannath, to see the dancing of Lord Chaitanya,
So Lord Jagannath, to see the dancing of Lord Chaitanya,
he stopped his car
he stopped his car
and just watched Lord Chaitanya's dancing.
and he just watched Lord Chaitanya's dancing. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.100
প্রভু নিত্য দর্শনে সুভদ্রা ও বলরামের হর্ষ। সুভদ্রা বলরামের হৃদয়ে উল্লাস, নিত্য দেখি দুই জনার শ্রীমুখেতে হাস।
The goddess of fortune Subhadra and Lord Balarama both felt great happiness and ecstasy within hearts. Indeed, they were seen smiling at the dancing.
So, all the three were smiling at seeing Lord Chaitanya's dancing.
So all the three were smiling at seeing Lord Chaitanya's dancing. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.101
অষ্টসাত্ত্বিক ভাব কদম্ব সম্ভিত প্রভুর রূপ ও লীলা। উদ্দণ্ডে নিত্যে প্রভুর অদ্ভুত বিকার, অষ্টসাত্ত্বিক ভাব উদয় সমকাল।
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu danced and jumped high, 8 wonderful transformations, indicative of divine ecstasy, were seen in his body. All these symptoms were visible simultaneously.
Normally, the advanced devotee may experience one or two of the symptoms.
So, normally, a very advanced devotee may experience one or two of the symptoms.
One after another.
That also one after another.
But here it said the Lord Chaitanya, he was experiencing all the 8 Ashtasattvic love simultaneously.
Here it's mentioned that Lord Chaitanya was experiencing the 8 Ashtasattvika bhav simultaneously. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila 13.102.
মাংস ব্রাহ্মণ সম রোমবিন্দ পুলকিত শ্রীমুরলী বৃক্ষ যেন কণ্টক বেষ্টিত.
His skin erupted with goose pimples, and the hairs of his body stood on end. His body resembled the shimuli, silk cotton tree, all covered with thorns.
The holy tree is a tree that has
The simuli tree is the tree that has
thorns all over it.
thorns all over,
And it produces a kind of cotton.
and it produces a kind of cotton.
Somehow Lord Chaitanya looked at one of these trees. His shrouded body, his skin was erupting with goosebumps, and hair was standing on end.
So somehow Lord Chaitanya's body was like this because the whole of his body was erupting with goosebumps and hairs standing on end. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila 13.103.
এক এক দন্তের কম্প দেখিতে লাগে ভয়, লোকে জানে দন্ত সব খসিয়া পড়াই.
Indeed, the people became afraid just to see his teeth chatter, and they even thought that his teeth would fall out.
Lord Chaitanya was manifesting such extreme ecstatic symptoms,
Although Lord Chaitanya was manifesting such extreme ecstatic symptoms,
like his teeth chattering,
like his teeth chattering,
they thought maybe he would lose his teeth.
they thought maybe he will lose his teeth.
Lord Chaitanya was in extreme ecstasy.
Lord Chaitanya was in this extreme ecstasy. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila 13.104.
সর্বাঙ্গে প্রসেদ তাতে রক্তোদ্গম, জয় গগ গদগদ বচন.
Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's whole body flowed with perspiration and at the same time oozed blood. He made the sounds of ja ja ga ga ja ja ga ga in a voice choked with ecstasy.
Lord Chaitanya was manifesting such ecstasies
Lord Chaitanya was manifesting such ecstasies.
simultaneously. His teeth would chatter, his hairs were standing on end.
Simultaneously, his teeth would chatter, his hairs were standing on end,
And perspiring, sometimes blood came out through his pores.
while perspiring, sometimes blood came out from his pores,
And his voice choked up.
and his voice choked up.
Instead of saying Jagannath,
Instead of saying Jagannath,
he said Jajagaga, Jajagaga.
he was saying Jaja Gaga, Jaja Gaga. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila 13.105.
জলযন্ত্র ধারা জইছে বহে অশ্রু জল, আশপাশে লোক যত ভিজিল সকল.
Tears came forcefully from the eyes of the Lord, as if from a syringe, and all the people surrounding him became wet. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila 13.106.
দেহকান্তি গৌরবর্ণ দেখিয়ে অরুণ কভু কান্তি দেখে যেন মল্লিকা পুষ্প সম.
Everyone saw the complexion of his body change from white to pink, so that his luster resembled that of the Mallika flower.
The bodily luster would also change color.
So the bodily luster would also change color.
Sometimes white, sometimes pink.
Sometimes white, sometimes pink.
So he was in such ecstatic mood
So he was in such ecstatic mood
that even his bodily color changed.
that even his bodily color changed. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila 13.107.
কভু স্তম্ভ কভু প্রভু ভূমিতে লোটায় শুষ্ক কাষ্ঠ সমপদ হস্ত না চালায়.
Sometimes he appeared stunned, and sometimes he rolled on the ground. Indeed, sometimes his legs and hands became as hard as dry wood, and he did not move.
Some of the stark symptoms of the Lord are described in these verses.
So some of the ecstatic symptoms of the Lord is being described in this verse. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila 13.108.
কভু ভূমি পড়ে কভু সহায়হীন যাহা দেখি ভক্তগণের প্রাণ হয় ক্ষীণ.
When the Lord fell to the ground, sometimes his breathing almost stopped. When the devotees saw this, their lives also became very feeble.
Since the devotees are so much depending on the Lord's mercy,
Since the devotees were so much depending on the Lord's mercy,
when they saw that he stopped breathing,
when they saw that he stopped breathing,
they became very worried and
they became very worried,
weak at heart.
weak at heart. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila 13.109.
প্রভুর মুখচন্দ্রে ফেনামৃত ধারা প্রভু নেত্রে নাসায় জল মুখে পড়ে ফ্যান অমৃতের ধারা চন্দ্র বিম্বে বহে যান.
Water flowed from his eyes and sometimes through his nostrils, and foam fell from his mouth. These flowings appeared to be torrents of nectar descending from the moon.
These ecstatic symptoms are not visible normally.
These ecstatic symptoms are not visible normally.
Lord Chaitanya would manifest this was astonishing for the people.
But Lord Chaitanya's manifestation was astonishing for the people.
And not only the people, but even Jagannath, he was
Not only the people, even Jagannath he was
stunned to see.
stunned to see. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Lila 13.110.
শোভানন্দের পান সেই ফ্যান লইয়া শোভানন্দ কইল পান কৃষ্ণ প্রেম রসিক দেহ মহাভাগ্যবান.
The foam that fell from the mouth of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was taken and drunk by Shubhananda, because he was very fortunate and expert in relishing the mellow of ecstatic love of Krishna.
So Subhananda took the foam fell from Lord Chaitanya's mouth.
So Subhananda took the foam that fell from Lord Chaitanya's mouth.
By eating that,
By eating that,
he was experiencing the blessing of ecstatic love for Krishna.
so by eating this, he was experiencing the blessing of ecstatic love for Krishna. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.111
নর্তনান্তে প্রভুর কান্ত সহ কান্তার মিলন গতি শ্রবণ এই মতো তাণ্ডব নৃত্য কইল কতক্ষণ ভাব বিশেষে প্রভুর প্রবেশিল মন।
After Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had performed his devastating dance for some time, his mind entered into a mood of ecstatic love.
So, Lord Chaitanya was dancing very intensely.
So Lord Chaitanya was dancing very intensively.
And then he went into a special ecstatic loving mood.
And then his mind entered into a special ecstatic loving mood. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.112
তাণ্ডব নৃত্য ছাড়ি স্বরূপেরে আজ্ঞা দিল হৃদয় জানিয়া স্বরূপ গাইতে লাগিল।
After abandoning the dancing, the Lord ordered Swarup Damodar to sing. Understanding his mind, Swarup Damodar began to sing as follows. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.113
শ্রী দামোদর স্বরূপের গীত তথাহি পদম সেই তো প্রাণনাথ পাইনু যাহা লাগি মদন দহনে ঝুরি গেল গেনু।
Now I have gained the Lord of my life, in the absence of whom I was being burned by Cupid and was withering away. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. This song refers to Srimati Radharani's meeting with Krishna at the holy place of Kurukshetra, when Lord Sri Krishna and his brother and sister came to visit when there was a solar eclipse. It is a song of separation from Krishna. When Radharani met Krishna at Kurukshetra, she remembered his intimate association in Vrindavana, and she thought, now I have gained the Lord of my life. In his absence, I was being burned by the arrow of Cupid, and thus I was withering away. Now I have my life again. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.114
গীত শ্রবণে প্রভুর নিত্য এই ধোয়া উচ্চস্বরে গায় দামোদর আনন্দে মধুর নিত্য করেন ঈশ্বর।
When this refrain was loudly sung by Swarup Damodar, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again began rhythmically dancing in transcendental bliss.
Also, Damodar understood the mood of Lord Chaitanya.
So Swarup Damodar understood the mood of Lord Chaitanya.
Lord Chaitanya was in the mood of Radharani.
Lord Chaitanya was in the mood of Radharani.
And then Swarup Damodar sang in that mood.
And then Swarup Damodar sang in that mood.
That put Lord Chaitanya in very deep ecstasy.
That put Lord Chaitanya in very deep ecstasy. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.115
জগন্নাথের প্রভু পশ্চাতে গমন ধীরে ধীরে জগন্নাথ করেন গমন আগে নিত্য করি চলেন সচির নন্দন।
the car of Lord Jagannath began to move slowly while the son of Mother Sachi went ahead and danced in front. Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela, 13.116.
জগন্নাথে নেত্র দিয়া সবে নাচে গায়, কীর্তনিয়া সহ প্রভু পাছে পাছে যায়।
While dancing and singing, all the devotees in front of the Lord Jagannath kept their eyes on him. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu then went to the end of the procession with the Sankirtan performers. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.117.
বহুকাল বিরহান্তে শ্রী রাধা ভাবামৃত প্রভুর দ্বিতীয় শ্রীকৃষ্ণ সহ মিলন। জগন্নাথ মগ্ন প্রভুর নয়ন হৃদয়, শ্রীহস্ত যুগে করে গীতের অভিনয়।
His eyes and mind fully absorbed in Lord Jagannath, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu began to play the drama of the song with his two arms. Chaitanya Charitamrita, how much you want to say? Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.118.
শ্রী রাধাভাব সুবলিত প্রভুতেই কৃষ্ণপেক্ষা অধিক প্রেম। গৌর যদি পাছে চলে শ্যাম হয় স্থিরে, গৌর আগে চলে শ্যাম চলে ধীরে ধীরে।
When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was dramatically enacting the song, he would sometime fall behind in the procession. At such times, Lord Jagannath would come to a standstill. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again went forward, Lord Jagannath's car would slowly start again. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 13.119.
এই মতো গৌর শ্যামে দোহে ঠেলা ঠেলি, স্বরথে শ্যামেরে রাখে গৌর মহাবলী।
Thus, there was a sort of competition between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Lord Jagannath in seeing who would lead. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was so strong that he made Lord Jagannath wait in his car. Purport by His Divine Grace Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. In his Anubhashya, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur describes the ecstasy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as follows. After giving up the company of the gopis in Vrindavan, Sri Krishna, the son of Maharaj Nanda, engaged in his pastimes at Dwaraka. When Krishna went to Kurukshetra with his brother and sister and others from Dwaraka, he again met the inhabitants of Vrindavan. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Radha Bhava Duti Swalalita, that is, Krishna himself assuming the part of Srimati Radharani in order to understand Krishna. Lord Jagannath Deva is Krishna and Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Srimati Radharani. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's leading Lord Jagannath forward to the Gundicha temple corresponded to Srimati Radharani's leading Krishna towards Vrindavana. Sri Kshetra Jagannath Puri was taken as the kingdom of Dwaraka, the place where Krishna enjoys supreme opulence, but he was being led by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Vrindavan, the simple village where all inhabitants are filled with ecstatic love for Krishna. Sri Kshetra is a place of Aishwarya Leela, just as Vrindavan is the place of Madhurya Leela. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's following at the rear of the Ratha indicated that Lord Jagannath, Krishna, was forgetting the inhabitants of Vrindavan. Although Krishna neglected the inhabitants of Vrindavan, he could not forget them. Thus, in his opulent Ratha Yatra, he was returning to Vrindavan. In the role of Srimati Radharani, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was examining whether the Lord still remembered the inhabitants of Vrindavan. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fell behind the Ratha car, Jagannath Dev, Krishna himself, understood the mind of Srimati Radharani. Therefore, Jagannath sometimes fell behind the dancing of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to indicate to Srimati Radharani that he had not forgotten. Thus, Lord Jagannath would stop the forward march of the Ratha and wait at a standstill. In this way, Lord Jagannath agreed that without the ecstasy of Srimati Radharani, he could not feel satisfied. While Jagannath was thus waiting, Gaur Sundar, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in his ecstasy of Srimati Radharani, immediately came forward to Krishna. At such times, Lord Jagannath would proceed ahead very slowly. These competitive exchanges were all part of the love affair between Krishna and Srimati Radharani. In that competition between Lord Chaitanya's ecstasy for Jagannath and Jagannath's ecstasy for Srimati Radharani, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu emerged successful.
What Chaitanya is Krishna with the heart and color of Radharani.
Lord Chaitanya is Krishna with the heart and color of Radharani.
So by having the mood and heart of Radharani,
So by having the mood and color of Srimati Radharani,
he was playing the part of Radharani with Lord Jagannath.
he was playing the part of Radharani with Lord Jagannath.
So, it's an example of the ecstatic exchange between Lord Chaitanya and Lord Jagannath Krishna.
So that's the example of the ecstatic loving exchange between Lord Chaitanya and Lord Jagannath Krishna.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.